Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix mobile view problems on Squarespace in 2026. So if your website looks broken, zoomed in, or misaligned on mobile, don't worry, we'll fix it step by step. First, open your Squarespace editor and switch to mobile preview mode. This helps you see exactly how your site looks on phones. Next, check your section spacing. Sometimes extra padding or margins can push content out of place on smaller screens. Now check your images. If they look stretched or cut off, adjust the image focal point or switch to a more mobile-friendly size. If your text looks too big or too small, adjust font size specifically for mobile view. This keeps everything readable on smaller screens. Now rearrange sections if needed. Some layouts look great on desktop but need a different order on mobile. If your site still looks broken, simplify your layout. Complex columns or heavy design blocks can cause mobile display issues. Finally, clear your browser cache and test your site on an actual phone. Sometimes the editor preview and real mobile view can differ slightly, and that's it. Most Squarespace mobile view issues are caused by spacing, images, or layout complexity, and they're easy to fix once you adjust them properly. Hey everyone!